I'm scared to death that I'm never going to get my phone to ring and I'm going to go broke. Well, rest easy. There is a shortage of appliance servicemen countrywide, and with only modest effort, you can get the phone ringing with good, profitable work. Let me give you a short list of the techniques that you need to use to get that phone ringing. First and foremost, and my favorite pet peeve, is set up a friendly voicemail greeting on your smartphone. Practice it and re-record it and listen to it until you get it warm and fuzzy and just so welcoming. Hi, this is Bubba's Appliance, and I really want to help you with your broken appliances. Leave me a message. Not the recording with all the damn numbers. No, no, no. You want your recording to force them to leave a message because you sound like such a nice guy. Step number 2. Our friends at Google have made step 2 so incredibly easy for you. Go to Google My Business and set up your profile. This will get your flag on the Google map and result in instant business for free. Free! All it requires is your name, phone number, and address. Do it right away. Guys report as many as 5 service calls a week from just Google My Business. In spite of what many people mistakenly believe, you do not need to have a website to register with Google My Business. So get her done. Your next step is to set up a simple informational website. There are lots of ways to do that, but don't waste big bucks. You can do it for $10 or $15 a month, and you can probably do it yourself or get your kids to do it for you. This website, once it's set up, will link to Google My Business. Step number 4. Your next job in this short, effective list is to get a flyer put together and business cards and start sending them out to everybody you know. Every club member, church member, relative, friend, everybody. And I guarantee you, you will kick up some service calls. There are numerous additional tasks to add to the list, but this short starter list will get you going.